Hello everyone. Today we are having Mohit with us, who not only secured AIR 30 in CA finals but also currently plays with Flipkart. Hi Mohit, how are you?
Yeah, hi Kamini, I'm good. How are you?
I'm also good. Can you please brief your journey with us?
Sure, Kamini. So I've secured All India 30th rank in November 2020 exam. So later on that, as I secured the rank holder, so we would be given as like we were taken to a IIM Indore as like a management development program for us. Whoever has secured the rank holder. So there we have spent around 2 weeks. At around the IIM Indore, so explaining about the management development programs, what as a chartered accountant is lacking in this business communications or interpersonal skills. So we were taught over there. So later on that, uh, we were conducted with these campus placements. So prior to our batch, it usually happens like a special campus drive for our rank holders. But in our time, due to some COVID restrictions, that had not happened. So we got placed through normal campus, and there I got hired with Flipkart, and it's going smoothly now, going well.
Now it's going good in Flipkart.
Yes, it's going well.
Yes. Uh, One more thing I want to ask. How did you apply that you said just earlier that you applied through campus only? Uh, Flipkart has shortlisted to you in the campus. What all are the number of rounds? Like what all are the process of interview there? This
Right, all right,
or
all right.
one more thing, one more questions. Can only rank holders go in the Flipkart or the non-rank holders also?
Yes, Kamini, not just a rank holder or even rank holders were also got hired last time. So how the recruitment process happens is like Flipkart comes over campus placements. So and that too in Tier 1 cities, Bangalore and Mumbai branch. So in order you want to join in Flipkart, you have to select your campus location as Mumbai and Bangalore branch. So once you got apply when that window is open, so there will be some criteria to get your resume shortlist. It's not a fixed criteria. So the criteria are some general criteria would be either you should be a rank holder or a man rank holder who has cleared all the groups in first attempt, all levels of CA in first attempt. And there is no specific requirement like you have to do your articleship from Big Four. Even I have personally did from my mid-sized firm, so even I got shortlisted. So graduation is also not the criteria to get shortlisted. So there are no like fixed criteria. There are like diverse people. So rank holders were there, non-big four, non-rank holders were there, big four people were there. So no need to have a conviction or preconceived notion that only a rank holder gets hired by Flipkart. So it's a mix of both rank holders and non-rank holders. So
How many rounds are there in the interview?
uh, yes. So once your resume gets shortlisted, there will be three rounds of three levels. So first round would be a group discussion. So, group discussion, there will be around 10 people in a group. It depends on based on the group. In a group, they can shortlist three people, four people. In a group, they can shortlist five to six. In a group, they can shortlist only one. So it depends on how a group performs. There is no fixed thing like in each group only two gets selected, three get selected. And also, to talk about the group discussion, it's the topics in group discussion also will be more of a generic but much related to the industry, e-commerce industry. So so if you want to prepare yourself to the group discussion, there is no specific requirement, but in our time, the topic was profitability versus growth. So as a e-commerce industry, so which primarily focused on the growth, leaving aside the profits. So somewhat related to the topics would be related to the e-commerce industry. So we have to be yourself. No need to there won't be like case study preparation or abstract. It will be a general topic in group discussion. So after you get shortlisted in group discussion, next round would be a technical round. So technical round happens when on the day of campus. It's like with the ICA which releases the roster. So on that day, there is a criteria like as if you are aware, there will be like 1:10. So out of 10 members, one gets hired in the campus.
Yes.
So So that second round would be a technical round. So technical round would be a mixture of technical questions or current affairs and general questions. It could be a mix of all the things, and sometimes there could be a strategic related questions like if you are given this project, how would you handle? And it could be a mixture of all type of questions.
And the third round was?
And once after this technical round got over, third round would be an HR round. So mostly, if you got into HR round, means it got like you cracked the technical round. So HR round would be more of a general type of questions. It's not a kind of questions. They would identify your interest, areas of interest, or whether you are interested over here or anyone you are looking for any other company. Like what makes difference you to choose between Flipkart and other company, what we are lacking, or what they more explains you about the work culture. And one great thing about the Flipkart is like they don't pressurize you. Like where I observed with other companies, like if you don't accept our offer in another half an hour, we would cancel your recruitment or we would cancel your entire thing. So Flipkart is not that kind of attitude they do have. So they give us some liberty or some time to choose. So that one great thing about the Flipkart. And before being attending for the interview, try a bit researches like about the company or work culture over there. Rather than after getting selected, you would be having a little time to choose. So priorly do that. Is a work culture good or growth opportunities were good. So try to do a bit research prior to attending the interview.
How did you feel when HR calls you? Because your technical round is cleared that time. And HR round is mostly like that. HR is offering a offer letter to you only. This is not any like no chaos in that. That you are not selected or not or that. How did you feel that time?
Yes, feeling was really great because that is the first interview I have attended is a Flipkart, and the first call also I got was like accepted. So the feeling was great, and even I have a thing like to join a companies like a Flipkart or tech startup. So because it's just a decade-old company where you would be having a lot of growth opportunities. So feeling was really great, and I was like also with a blank mind. So what to choose now, whether to accept it or not, or there'll be certain time limit. But it's a great feeling.
Whether to try any other company or not. Yeah, these questions.
Exactly.
Yes.
These questions pop up in our mind. So whether to go with other company or not. But it's like I have to. Yes.
Yes. Continue.
Yes. So that's what it depends on yourself whether to choose that or not. So you have to do priorly only. I've asked this like work culture or I've reached out few persons in LinkedIn or is like how will be the work culture over there, like growth opportunities. So I can
LinkedIn helps a lot.
Choose the tip. Yes, LinkedIn helps a lot.
Yes. As I have came across with many people right now that they are asking me that how to go in the Flipkart, what to prepare for the Flipkart. So any guidance that what to prepare for the Flipkart, that what type of questions are being asked in the Flipkart. If you remember any question, then please let us know.
Yes, definitely. So there is no specific requirement required for this interview preparation, but more you should get idea more about the company related news. Like since Flipkart being a private company, you can't get all the annual reports or financials. So you have to do your bit research. Like you have to know their future plans. Like Flipkart, if you take, they are going for an IPO next year. So you should be aware of all these reasons. And you should also have an idea of brief history of Flipkart, is like how they arrived or like what are the initiatives, projects they have took and what is their market share around, and like what business segments it is operating, what its subsidiaries, what acquiring mergers it happens. So should do a bit research about the company before attending the interview, a little brief about the company. So that one thing you have to do. And the next thing, technical questions, as far as I remember, that to the technical questions I was asked was related to the company or industry. So they asked me around 5 to 6 million of technical questions. One question being is Ind AS 115 revenue recognition of e-commerce operator. So whether they recognize on gross or revenue basis. And they asked me about, so one great thing is like they asked us question, and if you are not aware, you should tell not aware. or I have
Yes.
no idea. But you should not try to mix up some answer or that thing.
It
So
will.
they asked me about some correct. Yes, they asked me about employee benefits or ESOP valuation. So I told I'm not aware. So they just right away put the other question. So some leases amendments on deferred taxes, or they asked me around if you have any idea of US GAAP. So I told I have no idea. So IFRS or US GAAP or so that way, as far as I remember, they primarily focus on the IndAS part and tax amendments pertaining to the e-commerce industry. So at our time, there is a budget. So which
Yes.
there were amendments relating to e-commerce industries or TDS related amendments. So they asked me what are the amendments affecting the e-commerce industry, or so you should be aware with some current affairs type of questions. And they try to test you is like how proactively you're thinking. Like they give you some case and they'll try to understand how you're thinking, your thinking perspective of a particular case. They'll try to tell you if you're given this type of project with handling 50%, how would you manage them and how would you handle these situations, or what are something special you would do. So it's a
Yes.
mix of both technical, current affairs, and everything.
We can conclude this answer. Like, this is also my experience. If you are giving the interview in any company, you must know about the company. What are the services that company is giving? What are the products that company is dealing? And the you have to know what is going around your surroundings, that what is happening in the economy also, and you have to take care of the amendments also. That you said that in February the budget was released, you have to know that what all are the changes, and in that industry you are applying, you are giving the interview, you have to see the perspectives that what is the effect in that company, right?
Yes.
So we can conclude this answer by saying this, right? The next
Yes.
question is, currently what are your experience in Flipkart, that are you enjoying in Flipkart or not? Are you regretting your decision, or are you happy with your decision right now?
Yes. Of course, Kamini, I'm happy with my decision because not just blindly I went with Flipkart. Priorly, as I told, I have done some part of research like what is the work
Yes.
culture or what is the growth opportunity. So another great thing about Flipkart is like they not just give you a similar kind of roles like taxation or audit or all kind of thing. So as a campus hire, we would be given a three choices, in the sense three roles. It is
Yes.
controllership, finance, and FP&A. So it's not a regular role we get, and being a tech startup, it's the other way finance profession. Like not we do all kinds of GST taxation. We would be looking into their process ownership, automation, tech startups, all kind of variance analysis, budgets forecasting, analyzing, more of a management trainee roles. And
Yes.
the other thing is like, so as a special campus, we were given a choice to move around the rotation, job rotation. Also, we do have like for every 18 months, we would be shifting to a new department. So where we would be getting exposure to multiple levels of multiple areas, departments, and all.
Yes.
So definitely, I'm happy with the decision I've taken.
Yes. Is there only three profiles available, or multiple profiles in Flipkart that you said
As
just?
a campus fresher, we would be having a three roles. So later on, when once we get handful of experience, we would be other areas also would be open. So as of now, for a campus hire, there will be three roles open: controllership, business finance, and FP&A.
Which profile you chose?
I choose is like they have. I choose controllership in the sense
Yes.
they first make us in one role. So later on, we can move to other roles as well. So I currently am in controllership role.
You can shift internally, right?
Yes, we can shift internally, but there are some time limits. But they also want us to fix, rotate, not just stick to one department or one role. They want us to get exposed to all the roles and departments.
What do you think is management program that was organized by ICI helps you to get the job in Flipkart? Or what is the
So
as most of the people did not experience that program, because only the 50 rank holders, right, get that opportunity. Like, I want to know the experience. Like, everybody should know about that, because no one knows. Actually, most of the people don't know about that management program also.
Yes. Management trainee roles is something really something great about that management trainee roles, because one, obviously we saw that like even in our articleship also, if we were given a similar kind of a role or work, we would be get boredom, or we were not exposed to the new areas. So
Yes.
management trainee role is something which pops up, is like which is something great initiative, or which ICI has taken, or which as a companies were offering, because companies also want us to have a diversified areas experience. They don't want us to stick to a one role. They want us to rotate to many departments or many areas, so that it they're not just primarily focused on their company. So they want us also give something back. So they want us to give more exposure, more work culture, and they so we would be abide to all kinds of work. So where we were self employed is like kind of a thing where we were self reliant, so which we can handle any type of work, or that really helps.
Yes.
And even if you're not a rank holder, that need not to worry, because all these management trainee roles at starting point of view, once you get into any job based on your work, or based on your experience, or based on your
Yes.
performance, they do tend to shift to the other roles as well.
Yes. As you know that when we start finding the jobs, and we were looking into the job opportunities, what is the first thing? Like everybody sees the profile, and the second one is package. So
Sure.
how it's wrong to disclose the exact package, but uh, approximately how Flipkart is giving, how much Flipkart is giving to you.
So Flipkart, they offer you around 15 to 18 lakhs package. And so going forward, you would be given some stock options, and some that too depends on vesting options. And once you get in, it also depends on your performance on variable pay, and some other performance related pays and all. So they give you around 15 lakhs plus package.
The next question is, how did you feel when you secured AIR 30? Do you have any idea that you will secure the rank, or what is the what? Matlab, like it is miracle for you, or is it miracle for you?
Yes, it's really miracle, and I have no idea. It's like rank is out of my mind. First thing is like I have to clear my CA final. That's all. But the moment I saw like both the groups were passed, I was like happy, and I was not even checking. There is a rank tab which we can check. So one is like one of my friend is telling, you just try to check the rank there if you get anything, because you are getting you got a very good mark. So then I try to check, and it's like
Yeah.
it's like amazed to see that AR 30, and even at my IPCC time, I missed the AR 50 by 5 marks. So I have
It's
no so rank is like out of my mind, and nothing is running. Only the thing I've cleared my CA. So it's all the way. It's like surprise to me. Yeah, 30.
And after seeing the rank in the merit list, how did you feel? How your parents reacted on that?
So it's like everyone like amazed, and everyone like it's like I can't explain that, which we can felt
Yeah.
that can't be explained.
Yes.
So that's really a great feeling.
Yeah, even we passed, that feeling was also awesome. Even and getting rank, it's literally like we got everything. That time the feeling like we got everything now.
We got everything right.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Mohit. It was a great session with you. Hope to connect you soon in the later.
Sure.
Yeah. Thank you so
Yes.
much.
Great, Kamini.
Thank you so
Appreciate
much.
your thing also for speaking this. Thanks.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.